next question reads here, in figure 10.36, A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O, such that angle BOC is equal to 30 degree, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, D is a point on the circle other than arc ABC, find angle ADC. ये आपको पूछा है. See here, angle AB, arc AB is making an angle 60 degree, arc BC is making an angle 30 degree. We have to find the angle ADC. We have to find angle ADC. So what I'll do is I will add these two angles, angle AOB plus angle BOC. I will add it. See, angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. This if I add it, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and angle BOC is equal to 30 degree. So finally if I add these two, this will be equal to 90 degree. So what I can write here is angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Now you may say, sir, you are asked to find out ADC but you are finding AOC. Just I'll explain. मैं बताऊंगा आपको. सर आपको तो ADC ढूंढने के लिए कहा है, आप तो AOC ढूंढ रहे हो. मैं आपको बताऊंगा. देखिए आर्क AC, ये वाला आर्क AC सेंटर पर एंगल बना रहा है AOC, सरकमफ्रेंस पर एंगल बना रहा है ADC. तो यहाँ का एंगल इसका आधा होगा. That is, angle on the circumference will be equal to half the angle made at the center. So उसी point की तरफ मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming to the same point. What is it? Arc AC subtends an angle AOC on the circumference, AOC on the center, AOC on the center and ADC on the circumference, ADC on the circumference and just circumference. We have already proved this theorem. What theorem we have proved? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is always twice the angle subtended by it on the circumference, or angle subtended by an arc on the circumference will be always half of the angle subtended by it on the center. या तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि ये this is double of this or this is half of this. So what I want to say is, आपको ये मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि एंगल ADC अगर आपको ढूंढना है, so that will be equal to half multiplied by angle AOC. तो half of AOC होगा बच्चों half multiplied by 90 and that is equal to how much? 45 degree. So that's all. इतना ही मुझे करना है, यही इसका solution है. तो ADC कितना होगा? 45 डिग्री होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि कोई व्हाट डज इट मीन. इसका क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये होता है कि chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. If I say that AB is the chord, OA is the radius and OB is the radius, according to the question OA equal to OB equal to AB. So that is what I have written here. Chord AB is equal to radius OA is equal to radius OB and this is also equal. So what I mean is the three sides become equal. If chord of a circle becomes the equal to radius, then this triangle OAB, it becomes an equilateral triangle. And if it becomes an equilateral triangle, children, all angles are equal to 60 degree. And if all angles are 60 degree, then I can say that angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree because all angles of equilateral triangle are equal. So this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Now you want to find out this angle. Again the same logic we have to apply. Arc AQB, so arc AQB subtends an angle AOB at the center and APB on the circumference. सो दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ दिस, यह इसका आधा होगा। तो यानी व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट आई कैन से इज, इफ आई हैव टू measure angle APB, angle APB is equal to half into angle AOB, half into angle AOP, because you can write here the reason, arc AQB subtends angle AOB at the center and APB on the circumference, APB on the circumference। तो ऐसी अगर बात है, if this is the case, ऐसी अगर बात है तो what I can say is this is half। So children, this is 60 and half of 60 will be equal to how much? 30. Half of 60 will be equal to how much? 30. So angle APB is equal to half of 60 degree. Half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So that is 60 degree is 30 degree. Now you see AQBP or APBQ, all the four vertices lies on the circumference of a circle. So AQBP are the vertices of a cyclic quadrilateral. I have given you the definition of cyclic quadrilateral. What does it says? If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the circumference of a circle, it becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. So I can say that APBQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. APBQ is a cyclic quadrilateral because vertices A, Q, B, P lies on circumference of circle, lies on circumference of circle. So sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180. So angle P plus angle Q should be equal to 180. So angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 because sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so angle P is 30, so 30 plus Q is equal to 180. So angle Q is equal to 180 minus 30, and that is equal to 150 degree. So that is how you can find out angle Q. Or there is one more method, the measure of angle AQB, the measure of angle AQB will be equal to half the angle reflex angle of AOB. AQB का मेजर जो होगा वो रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ AQB का हाफ होगा, क्योंकि ये मेजर आर्क है। APB इज अ मेजर आर्क, तो मेजर आर्क एक एंगल बना रहा है, यहाँ पर सरकमफ्रेंस पे एंगल बना रहा है AQB और सेंटर पे बना रहा है रिफ्लेक्स AOB. So if you use that theorem, then AQB will be equal to reflex of AOB. This is 60 and reflex of AOB will be 300. So half of 300 will be again equal to what? 150. So second method is also there. If you are interested, I can just give you an idea of the second method. The second method is like this. In the exam, you just take any one method out of it. What you can say is angle AQB is equal to half of reflex of angle AOB, reflex angle AOB. See here, AOB is 60, reflex of AOB will be equal to 300. So half of reflex of AOB is half into 300 and that is equal to how much? 150. तो ये भी एक तरीका हो सकता है. Sir, we don't want that method, sir. We are very happy with this cyclic quadrilateral concept. Okay, fine. You can go ahead with that in the exam. Exam में आप इससे भी आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो.